You can easily define these three things by the way they sound. So mass concentration is the amount in gram, that is mass of solute, per unit liter of solution. The unit is gram per liter. Or you express it like this. Molar concentration is simply amount in mole of solute divided by the liter of solution. And the unit is mole per liter. Or you express it as this. Molar mass is simply mass of a substance per unit mole. Mass of any substance divided by amount in mole. This implies that the unit is gram per mole. Or you express it as this. Now, if you watch the units closely, you will detect a pattern. You can see gram here, gram here. You can see liter here, and liter here. Now, look at what we are going to achieve. If you multiply this by this, let's see if we can get this. Mole per liter. Let's multiply it by the unit of molar mass, gram per mole. You can see that mole up here, we cancel mole down here, and we are going to get gram per liter. And gram per liter is actually the unit of mass concentration. We can now say that mass concentration, which is this, equals this, which is molar concentration, times this, which is molar mass. And this is the relationship between mass concentration, molar concentration, and molar mass. You can even make molar concentration the subject of the formula. Molar concentration equals this, mass concentration, divided by this, molar mass. And this is another relationship. I hope you got value. If you did, click on like, comment, share the video, follow us and subscribe to our YouTube channel.